The highly anticipated Bharat NCAP crash test results for the 2026 Kia Seltos are finally out, and it has shattered records. The all-new Kia Seltos has officially secured a flawless 5-star safety rating. Let's dive right into the tests, starting with the grueling offset frontal impact at 64 km/h. The Seltos utilizes a reinforced K3 platform with hot-stamped components that absorbed the impact energy incredibly well, keeping the passenger cabin fully intact. Looking closely at the interior footage during the crash, the frontal driver and passenger airbags deployed instantaneously. The steering column deformation was exceptionally well managed, preventing it from pushing back into the driver's chest cavity. The dummy telemetry recorded good protection for the driver and co-passenger's head, neck, and chest. The dashboard structure showed no dangerous hardpoint intrusion, which successfully mitigated knee and femur injury risks, yielding adequate ratings for the driver's lower legs. Moving to the rear cabin area, the Seltos achieved a massive 45 out of 49 points for child safety. The interior slowdown metrics prove that the Isofix rear child mounts, working in tandem with the top tethers, minimized forward head excursion during the violent rebound phase, ensuring a perfect dynamic safety score for both the 18-month and 3-year-old child dummies. Moving on to the side impact test conducted at 50 km/h. Side collisions leave very little crumple room, but the Seltos' interior design handled the energy displacement beautifully. Upon impact, the side chest airbags integrated into the seats and the full-length side curtain airbags fired concurrently in milliseconds. The interior camera reveals how the curtain airbag completely covered the window line, preventing the driver's head from striking the door panel or the invading barrier. The door trim and inner pillar structures crushed predictably outwards away from the seats rather than splintering into the cabin. Finally, the SUV faced the severe pole side impact test at 29 km/h, a test designed to simulate a side-on collision with a narrow object like a tree or lamppost. Inside the vehicle, the concentrated lateral load was heavily resisted by the reinforced roof rail and floor crossmembers. The interior camera angles confirm that even with localized intrusion, the curtain airbags successfully isolated the driver's head from the incoming B-pillar structure, preventing any direct structural contact. The seat bolsters and side airbags absorbed the remaining force perfectly, maintaining an exceptional safety envelope for the occupant's upper torso. With its robust body shell and a comprehensive suite of active safety tech, the Kia Seltos has firmly established itself as a benchmark for family SUVs in India. What are your thoughts on this record-breaking 5-star performance? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more automotive safety breakdowns.